maybe it's just my bad luck, but I have bought 3 of these RGB fans from 3 different companies, and every single time it just doesn't work for me. Obviously, if you're watching this video, then that means that this actually worked. Since it worked, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. So obviously you're buying RGB fans because you want the RGB, you want all these lights effects. Well, I got some good news for you. The good news is that these actually have a lot of light effects and a lot of colors, and it looks really good. As you guys are seeing right now on the screen, I'm going through the different colors, and let me tell you, these things look really sick. Like, I really like him. Like, really like him. So right off the bat, these fans aren't really as cheap as the other ones, because the other ones were like $30 to $40, but these ones are actually $60 at the time I shot this video. These also come with 2 RGB strips, which at the beginning I thought I don't really need these, and I guess this is why they're charging that much for them. But once I got them and I saw the effects that they make synced with the fans, I almost said synced with the fans. Synced with the fans, I changed my mind, and I really like how these look. So I guess this is one way you could justify spending that extra $20, is that you get 2 RGB strips. So in the box you get 3 fans, and each fan has 4-pin connector to the power and 3-pin connector for the RGB lights. You also get the fan control box. It's not the best quality out there, but it's also not the worst, gotta give him that. You also get 2 RGB strips like I was saying, and you also get the cables that you need if your motherboard supports RGB and you want to connect these straight to your motherboard. And last but not least, you get some Velcro, and you also get the fan screws, so that's also included. Alright, so actually what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to install them, and we're also gonna talk about the pros and the cons of these fans. Let's start with the pros of these fans. First pro is that it actually works right out of the box without doing anything. You just plug them in and boom, they work. Second pro is the fact that it's actually powered by SATA and not Molex. Third pro is the fact that you can actually connect it to the motherboard and control the RGB. And let's talk about the build quality of these and the fact that they're built really good. The quality is super solid. On to the next pro, which is the fact that it actually emits light from both sides, from the front and the back, which is amazing. And now let's talk about the cons of these fans. First things first, we don't have a remote. You know how dope that would have been if we actually do have a remote and control them with the remote. Now I have to actually mount this somewhere accessible so I can change the effects from it, which kind of sucks. And the second thing is the fact that the cables are not braided. I mean, the other $30 one that I bought, the cables were braided. Mind you, that's a $60 RGB fans and LED strips. So do I recommend these fans or not? Well, I'm gonna be honest with you. If you're in the market and you're on a budget to get some RGB fans, try the $30 ones and the $40 ones first. Remember, if they don't work, you can always return them to Amazon and actually get these ones. These ones appear to be a solid choice for now. They look really good, and the build quality appears to be really solid, but at the same time, at $30 and $40 range, I have seen build qualities almost the same. So I would go with the cheaper ones, and if they work for you, then be it. If not, then like I said, you can always get these ones because these ones actually work out the box. If you didn't like this video, make sure to dislike it. But if you actually like this video, then make sure to like, make sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss any future uploads. Make sure to comment down below and tell me, would you buy this thing or would you not buy this thing? And if you did buy it, what's the main reason that actually sold you on these? And if you're not gonna buy it, why are you not gonna go with these ones? I'll be happy to have some discussions in the comments. So I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it for that one.